going on, my YouTube family? It's your boy Anthony the Handyman, back with another video. So I'm on my way almost to Maca City. If anybody knows about Manatee County, I'm out in the boondocks. Anyhow, I gotta do some work for some customers I did some work for last week. I did a little wall patch and stuff for a company that came in and did some tile cleaning and grout cleaning. They put a hole in the wall, so I did that last week. I gotta go now and patch it, sand it down. But I have some other work here. I need to fill in some cracks on some crown molding, take a towel rack down and patch the holes, and do a couple other little things. So I'm like 5 minutes out from here, guys. I appreciate everybody that's watching, sharing, subscribing, liking. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all share this with a friend, and make sure you leave a comment, man. Whether it's a thumbs up, a frowny face, a smiley face, leave it, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Just keep watching the video. If you don't like the video, just let it play, guys. I need that duration time to exceed. But I really appreciate everybody, man. Again, man, push that positivity and stay blessed, stay prayed up, man. A lot of fucked up shit going on in the world. Excuse my language. Just push that positivity, guys. We need more positive people in our life. And I'm sure most of the people that are subscribed to me are probably pretty positive people. Anyhow, stay tuned, guys. So I took the towel rack off here. They look just like this one. I'm gonna patch these holes. And then in here, guys, you see that the cracks where the crown molder connects. He wants to have that connected the best as possible here and in the bedroom. And then I have a couple spots that I mudded last week, right here, over here. I put a bigger faceplate here. Spots here I mudded, and then I patched this up. There was a hole here from a cleaner that came in, so I have to sand that and probably mud it one more time. So that's what's going on today, guys. I'm about to do the California patch right here and here, these two spots. So it's tight. I do a little angle, guys, right here, where it's tight at, just so it can slip in better. California patch, guys. Boom. Mud it like that. Everybody too. The patches are done. They got the fan on them. So California patch. I've showed y'all how to do them before. Might need another coat. I'll see once I sand it. Got that fan on it though. Let's move on to the next thing, guys. lines taken care of, the paper lines. I just textured it. Can't really tell on the camera too tough, but it's textured now. Nice and textured. I feathered it out too, so it kind of matches everything once it's painted. There was a little spot on the ceiling right here, guys. That had a little mildew up there. I hit it with some Kills. That. I gotta let this dry. So I got the fans on it and then paint, and then I'm out of here. Paint. I can see it's textured. I'm using a little on the side of a little brush container, so that's gonna have to do. Man. Up close and personal. Can't tell it was there, y'all. Can't tell it was there. What's going on, guys? I forgot to record a outro, nacho. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I really appreciate everybody that's watched, man, that's liked it, shared it, been commenting. Y'all are soldiers, legends. I appreciate it. I love y'all, man. Anyhow, remember to push that positivity. Stay prayed up. Surround yourself with positive people, and everything will be all right, man. Anyhow, another one's gone, another one's down, another day down, another job completed, another one in the books. Appreciate y'all, man. From the bottom of my heart. Till next time, I'm out. Peace. It's recording already. It's a blank screen. Peace.